Let's make some banana chip Christmas crack candy.
Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Makes 12.
Hello everyone, starting off with a 9 by 13 inch baking dish or a cookie sheet that's about 9 by 13 that has a rim on the edge. I lined mine with some parchment paper and I greased it with some cooking spray. And I'm lining the bottom with some crackers. You could use whatever kind of plain cracker that you want. These are called Toppables, is the name brand of that cracker. And then we're gonna add some banana chips. Now when I made those Rice Krispie banana pudding desserts things where I was debunking the AI photos, I had bought a package of banana chips and I had a whole pile of them left over. So I decided to add them to this recipe and see how they turned out. So I put a layer of dried sweetened banana chips. And then on the stove, you're going to melt 1 cup of salted butter. Also going in that pan is a cup of brown sugar. And you're going to melt this together over medium-high heat, stirring and stirring constantly until it comes to a nice boil, where it's boiling all the way across the pan. So once you get an even boil across the surface of your pan, set your timer for 3 minutes, and you don't have to stir it when it gets to this point. Now I let my heat get a little bit too high and it started doing this. Now that's also still boiling, but it's a bit too hot, and you'll notice how the caramel or the toffee, whatever you want to call it, started getting really, really dark. It had started to burn a little bit. So if you see that happening, turn your heat down or take the pot off the stove. It didn't taste burnt though. When I was done, I was happy. It didn't taste burnt, even though it did get a little bit darker. And you'll notice the pan here has a nice big black spot on the bottom of it. I ended up having to soak that for a while and then give it a good scrub. Pour it on top of the crackers and the banana chips. And I take some time to spread it around here with a spatula, but you don't have to do this because you're going to put it back in the oven to bake a little bit more and it'll even out all by itself. So take that whole pan and put it in the oven at 350 degrees until you get nice bubbles all across the surface. The recipe says 5 minutes. Mine took about 10 minutes because I'm using a glass dish, and those are usually a little bit hard. They take a little bit longer to heat. Once it's bubbling all over the surface, remove it, and as you can see, that caramel sinks down and kind of evens out. Then you'll take 2 cups of chocolate chips, and while this is still hot, sprinkle it over the top. I'm using the little tiny chocolate chips, but it doesn't really matter. You can use whatever size you want. Let them sit there for about 5 minutes or so, and you'll notice that the chocolate chips will almost instantly melt because that toffee mixture is so hot. And this very gently use a spatula and just smooth them out so that you get a nice even chocolate layer on the top. You don't want to press too hard because you don't want to move those crackers and banana chips around too much. And then you're going to let it sit and cool. Then we're going to remove it from the pan, and what's great about that parchment is that you can just lift it right out, and your baking dish is virtually clean. And then if you want, you can break this. You can just use your hands and break it into pieces, uneven pieces, or you can use a sharp knife and break off slices and then cut them into little squares if you want. And then you just put them into a sealed container, and they're good to sit at room temperature. And there they are. They're very pretty on profile, aren't they? These, if you've ever had Christmas crack or cracker candy, you'll know how delicious it tastes. It tastes a lot like Skor bars. That great toffee, a salty crunch, and that sweet and salty is one of my favorite flavors. And of course, chocolate. And the banana chips add a nice little flavor to these as well. So I'm happy I found something to use up my banana chips with. These were really good and will be great for Christmas time. I've made a lot of different kinds of candy on my channel. They're all in the candy making playlist. And if you want to check those out for ideas for your Christmas treats or your holiday baking, go ahead and click on your screen, and thank you so much for watching.